Kids Kitchen. Today we'll be making elephant toothpaste. This is a very simple experiment. These are the ingredients.
Today we'll be using some ingredients, most of which you can find in an everyday home. First, a plastic bottle, 6% hydrogen peroxide, liquid dish soap, blue food coloring or whatever color you'd like, yeast, a funnel, some warm water, measuring tools, and a pan.
We start by mixing 1 tablespoon of yeast, into 3 tablespoons of warm water.
I'm now going to pour half a cup of the 6% hydrogen peroxide into this measuring cup. Now, be careful when you're using this because if it gets in your eyes, it could burn. You might even want help from an adult or to wear protective goggles. Now, I'm going to place the bottle in the tray and we'll pour in the hydrogen peroxide. Remember, be careful with this. Alright.
Now add a little dish detergent. You don't need much.
Now I'm going to add a few drops of the food coloring to give it some color. You can add as much or little as you like. Then give it a little stir just to even it out.
Now here's the final step. Add the yeast mixture and step back and watch the fun.
The foam is created when the yeast acts like a catalyst or helper and removes the oxygen from the hydrogen peroxide, creating the foam. In addition, we created an exothermic reaction, which means we created heat as well as the foam. Look, you can even feel it. Can't you feel the heat, Lainey?
Yeah, I can. But if you do this at home, here's some experiments that you could do with this experiment. You can change the bottle size to see if it creates the same amount of foam. Or you can change the yeast amount and see if you have the same amount as foam or less.
Thanks for tuning in this edition of Kids Kitchen. We're all out of time, but we'll see you next time on Kids Kitchen.